The origin of language is a fascinating and complex topic in linguistics, and it remains one of the most debated and speculative areas of study. As of my last update in September 2021, there is no definitive answer, and various theories have been proposed to explain how language may have emerged in the Bow Wow theory. This theory suggests that language originated from imitations of natural sounds in the environment. Early humans may have tried to mimic animal calls, the sounds of nature, or other environmental noises as a way to communicate.